Shut. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very special story for our A1 learners. It's all about helping you understand some important little words we use every day. We're going to learn about prepositions of place, like on, under, and in. These words tell us where things are. To make it super easy and fun, we'll follow a cute little character on her bedtime adventure. Our story for today is called Bella's Bedtime. It's a simple story, perfect for beginners. I will read the story very slowly and clearly. This will help you hear every word and understand the sentences. As we go through the story, you'll see the words pop up on the screen. This will help you connect the sound of the word with how it's spelled. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. The goal is to listen, watch, and learn at your own pace. Let's get started with our story. This is Bella the bunny. It is night. Bella is tired. She wants to go to sleep. But wait, Bella needs something. She looks for her toy, her favorite toy. Where could it be? Let's help Bella find her toy. Bella first looks at her bed. Is the toy on the bed? Let's look together. The word here is on. On the bed means the toy is sitting on top of the surface of the bed. We can see the pillows and the blanket, but the toy is not on the bed. So, no, it is not on the bed. Bella looks a bit sad. Where else can she look? Next, Bella looks under the rug. The word here is under. Under the rug. This means the toy is below the rug, covered by it. Below the corner of the rug. Is her toy there? No, the toy is not under the rug. There is just the floor. Poor Bella. She has looked on the bed and under the rug. Her toy is still missing. She is getting very sleepy. Finally, Bella has one last idea. She goes to her toy box. Is the toy in the toy box? The word here is in. In the toy box. This means inside the container, surrounded by the sides of the box. Bella looks inside. And guess what? Yes. Her toy is in the toy box. She found it. Bella is so happy. Bella takes her toy out of the box. She gives it a big, warm hug. She is not sad anymore. Now, she has her favorite toy and she is ready for bed. Bella climbs into her bed, holding her toy tightly. Good night, Bella. Sweet dreams. That was the end of our story. Did you enjoy helping Bella? We learned 3 very useful words today. On, under, and in. Let's review them one more time. On means on the surface of something, like on the table or on the chair. Under means below something, like under the table or under the bed. And in means inside something, like in the box or in the bag. Now it's your turn to practice. Look around your room. Can you find something that is on your desk? Can you see something that is under your chair? What is in your backpack? Using these words in sentences is the best way to remember them. For example, you can say, my book is on the desk. Or, my shoes are under the bed. Try to make your own sentences. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope this story helped you understand prepositions a little better. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. If you found this lesson helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. We post new videos every week to help you on your English journey. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.